Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change Google password. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all search on Google. Okay, open this app, tap on profile icon and click on manage Google account. Okay, and swipe left, tap on security and scroll down. Tap on manage password. Okay, just wait a few seconds, then back. Okay, tap on this option, tap on password and just enter your password and retype new password. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.